About 40 kilometers from 24 North Paraganas district, within this narrow lane in Hajinagar, tension continues to simmer.
We are at Hajinagar, which is in North 24 Paraganas. The situation is extremely volatile out here, and we are being advised not to venture a little far inside the entire 2-kilometer stretch around Hajinagar, which is very close to Nauihati. We haven't seen a single shop open, as you can see.
For the past 4 days, at least 8 districts in West Bengal witnessed multiple clashes, and Hajinagar has been the worst affected.
In fact, these bricks which are scattered here tells the story of a fierce brick battling which has possibly happened. Now, once again, we would reiterate, we don't know who is responsible, who to be held accountable. But then there had been a law and order situation precisely. And that law and order situation so far has really disturbed the harmony of this place.
Shops vandalized, vehicles set ablaze, a sense of fear reeling amongst the locals.
बहुत सारे लोग छोड़ के चले गए गाँव.
बहुत आदमी चला गया, क्या करेगा? ये तूफान में कैसे रहेगा?
A police picket was attacked. One officer has sustained grievous injuries. In fact, we spoke to the officer. He was almost on the verge of tears, and he said he escaped death. He saw the wrath of people.
মাথাতে রডের বাড়ি দিয়েছে। আর মেরে ফেলছিল, শুধু একবার আমাকে লোক বাঁচিয়েছে। তারপরে আমাদের ঠাকুর সাহেব দিয়েছে, আমাকে নিয়ে এসেছে। একা কি করে ফেসে গেছি, তোমাকে তুলে নিয়ে গেছে ওখান থেকে। লাঠি, হেলমেট ছিল ওর কাছে, আর্মস তো দেয়নি। ওখানকার লোকেরা
Heavy police deployment. They are not trying to take any chance for anything untoward to happen. They are trying to give a blanket coverage to the entire place, but then they are short in staff. They are short in number.
Section 144 has been imposed in the area, but this Trinamool Congress leader defied prohibition orders.
You see there is Trinamool Congress leader, local MLA Arjun Singh, openly resorting to scuffle and hooliganism. He was there inside his car. The car was kind of stopped by police as he was trying to enter into Hajinagar. There were locals who were rebuking.
आप देखे नहीं, मेरे को मुर्दाबाद क्यों बोलेगा? मैं कौन हूँ? RSS का सब बीजेपी.
The spate of violence pointing towards a complete failure of the state administration to maintain law and order.
It's a very alarming situation, and there is a pattern, and that's why the blame is to be shared by the state administration, because they are not paying attention to that either, or patronizing directly or indirectly.
देखिए, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का कोई उपस्थिति ही नजर नहीं आती है. कहाँ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन है? 4-5 दिन से जगह जगह प्रैक्टिकली रायट चल रहा है, दंगा. उसमें कोई कंट्रोल नहीं है, और ये जो सरकार है, ये पुलिस के द्वारा राजनीति करती है.
Police have spotted their attempts to enter into Hajinagar, the place worst affected in North 24 Parganas, and they are now going back. They plan to meet with the Commissionerate of Barakpur and put forth their deputation, but it remains to be seen such interference of politics at this juncture. Will it be any solution to the existing problem, or will it only worsen the situation? With camera person Suraj Pandey in North 24 Parganas, Hajinagar, this is Samal Shah for Times Now.